Welcome to the 1-hour edition of the Sunday News at 10. We begin tonight with Idaho's vaccine rollout. Beginning tomorrow, Idahoans 55 to 64 with at least one medical condition will be eligible to get the vaccine. Medical experts say it creates more demand for the doses that will help carry us out of the pandemic. But there are also many Idahoans who don't want to wait for their priority group, and it's leading to something known as no-waste waiting lists. Joey Prechtel spoke to one organization actually helping folks get their names on those lists. Joey, explain how it works.
Well, Mark, Crush the Curve has been very active in the response to the COVID-19 pandemic, from all the testing they've offered early on to now helping people get access to the COVID-19 vaccine. Now, they say that these no-waste lists are very important because instead of those vaccine doses being thrown out for whatever reason, they're instead getting in the arms of someone who maybe isn't eligible yet for the vaccine.
A lot of people are very respectful. They don't want to cut in line, but they certainly don't want to hear about vaccine being thrown away either.
Crush the Curve realizes the importance of having a no-waste vaccine waiting list. They had one when they ran their mass vaccine clinic a couple weeks ago.
We pulled off of that and actually, communicated with that list of people as appointments opened up during the day as we saw people no-show.
And now they're helping more people find their way on no-waste lists in order to get the vaccine. People can do this by going to their website or calling a hotline. If they go to vaccinateth208.com, there's a chat feature people can use to get started.
It'll automatically pop up and say, hey, we're here. Do you need help finding a vaccine appointment? We're really just trying to help people get all the way to that finish line and to that goal and that definition of success, which is a vaccine.
And the people they're trying to help end up being some of the most desperate to get access to the vaccine.
They just come from such a heart-wrenching place of vulnerability. And, they really just want to get on that list and they're willing to drop everything.
They take some info down and find a no-waste list for you to get on. And even with another group becoming eligible on Monday, they don't think waiting lists are going anywhere.
There will always be a concept of a no-waste wait list. I wouldn't say there's concern because, again, it really comes down to how many people show for appointments, how many people show for dose 2. You're still going to always have a level of that, cancellation or that no-show.
And one last thing, it's a good idea to not book more than one appointment at different providers. Once you do have an appointment locked in for the COVID-19 vaccine, then stop shopping around. Now, Tina Upson, who you just heard from in that story, told me that the supply of the vaccine is becoming more and more reliable as this rollout continues compared to where we were just 6-8 weeks ago. And most providers aren't even scheduling appointments until they actually have the vaccine that would go into that person's arm accounted for. Back to you.
Now with the addition of Johnson & Johnson, that number continues to go up. Joey Prechtel reporting live for us tonight. Joey, thanks.